Okay, today I am going to show you how to save time stacking a big box of soda in the refrigerator. This works with beer too, but today we're going to do it with soda. I'm going to do it once, so pay attention. Okay? Thank you. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set our box of soda or beer on end, and we're going to take off, open up the end of the box. And then we're going to tear all those tabs off. We don't want those tabs on there, they're just definitely going to get in the way. So now we have our soda or beer, if you want, open, and the box is open. The next thing we need to do is make sure we have room in the refrigerator. We're going there now. Okay, here's the spot in the refrigerator where we're going to put these. What we're going to do is make sure you take the box with the beer or soda with the face down, with the bottom down. The cans have to be upright or you're going to have problems. We put the whole box in the refrigerator. We open up the other end of the box. Now we hold the bottom ones and we pull the box out. And look at there, only one can fell out. If this were beer, I wouldn't have spilled any. But that is the quick and easy way to put a box of soda or beer in the refrigerator. I sure hope you like it. Thank you. See you guys later.